This is called nature. These are trees, beautiful trees in our Africa. We have so many trees that is beautiful, guys. As you can see, there is fence there, and check out more trees. Yes, if you check the other side, you can see the mango tree. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful, guys. The view is so smart. Today is a beautiful day that God has created. So many things in the world. The view is so beautiful. Today you even have a sun. Yes, yesterday was raining, but today it's so beautiful. You have so many kind of bush, types of bush. You have so many small trees. Weeds. This is called weeds. Types of weeds. There are so many, guys. So check out. Check out yourself. You'll be happy to watch this video, guys. It will teach you a lot about nature and how to prevent nature. So, guys, this place is so beautiful, guys. Look at the other side. Look at it. It's very early in the morning, and we are taking a walk, a small walk. Yes. Let's check out. If you like my video, I will be bringing more about nature, about flowers, doing so many trees, winds like this. Use this to we eat these ones. They are called managu in our language. Let's continue, guys, walking, and you will explore more things. You will explore more things. Look at the other side of the road. We have a school there. Houses. Mango tree. This is avocado tree. Look outside, guys. Look at in the sky. You can see the sky is so white and beautiful. Mushike mbio. Bwana uwesaidia mtu. Unaenda wapi? Kazi yako ni kuconfuse mtu afanye video zake na uzuri. Guys, this is a mango tree. It has some mangoes. And this place is so beautiful. Look. This farm has so many winds. The owner have abandoned the farm. They did not plant anything. So this place is beautiful. You can come here and relax yourself. Take a walk and feel alright. Check out, guys. This place. Check out. Don't get bored. So these are the one who are told about that they are dangerous. If you touch them, they can affect you, guys. And some winds are good. Mchukuria kibe atakula hizo vitu na ni dangerous. Sumbebe. So, guys, let's continue. Look at the banana over there. The mangoes over there. We are almost to get ready. Bebo. So we are having fun.